With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So today's question says that types of aerobic respirations are. So in this question we have been giving here 4 different choice, and for this type of question this option number 1 should be correct here. So let me explain you the reason behind the option number 1 here. So what happens what happens in the aerobic respiration? So glycolysis is the first step that is occur in the uh, aerobic respiration. Okay. So glycolysis is the first step of the aerobic respiration. What happens in the glycolysis? The breakdown of glucose is done in order to form the two molecules of pyruvic acid. So what happens in the glycolysis? Glucose is usually broken down into pyruvic acid. Okay. So this conversion of glucose to pyruvic acid is done by this process glycolysis, and this is the first step of the aerobic respiration. So glycolysis is basically a 10-step process. 10-step process. So which is usually taken place inside the cytoplasm of a cell. Okay, so this for the glycolysis part, this is the aerobic respiration is a part of the glycolysis. Now the second option says, second part says that HMP. HMP stands for hexose monophosphate shunt. So let me write down this thing here. HMP, HMP stand for hexose monophosphate shunt. Okay, so hexose monophosphate shunt is a metabolic pathway that is parallel to glycolysis, that runs parallel to glycolysis. So this process also takes place in cytoplasm. So both of the processes are taking place in cytoplasm of a cell, and it is more active in the liver, mammary glands, and adrenal glands of the adrenal cortex of the humans. Okay, so what happens in this HAMP pathway? It usually generates NADPH. So after the completion of this process, it generates NADPH and also generate pentose sugar. Pentose is, you can say this, pentose is, and also ribose 5 phosphate. Ribose 5 phosphate. So what next happen? So this ribose 5 phosphate will further acts as the precursor for the synthesis of the nucleotide. So this this one, that is ribose 5 phosphate, will act as a precursor for the synthesis of the nucleotides. These are the DNA and the RNA molecule synthesis. So this molecule will help in the synthesis of these nucleotides. So the process starts with the glucose 6 phosphate instead of the glucose, and is anabolically rather than catabolic in case of glycolysis. So these two processes are parallel to each other. That's why they are considered as the part of the aerobic respiration. So for this, option number 1 be correct here. So let me mark this question, this one. This is the answer of this question. So that's it for today. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.